on a Saturday morning and I'm in a full face of makeup. For most people, that wouldn't be kind of unusual, but for me it is, because it's, you know, 8 a.m. No, actually it's 8:10 on a Saturday morning. But I want to get this filmed, so let's go. Let's go. Hey, it's MJ, and today I am actually going to be unboxing something. After last week's video, I feel like I don't want to make another 35-minute video because to edit that was a pain in the butt. Like, it was an absolute pain. I think I cut out like 15 minutes and it was still 22 minutes long. And I don't want to have to do that again this week. But what I have today, I'm actually really excited about. I'm a little sad, but I'm also really excited. And that is this is huge. Like, this is a huge box. There's like no good way to hold it. This is good. I'll do this. This will probably end up being my thumbnail anyway. The Disney Treasures box, and this is the last online subscriber-only box, and it's called Avdventure, or Adventures. And I'm not quite sure how I feel about the fact that this is the last online subscription. They are going retail with this box. This one, Marvel, and it's either Star Wars or DC, because those are the other two, and I can't remember which one it is, or if they're just going retail with all of them, I don't know. But I know they are going retail with this box and with the Marvel Collector Core box that hopefully I'll be getting in a few weeks, because, you know, I got that email and I was like, oh man, I like having my subscription boxes come to me every other month from, you know, this company, but now they're going retail, so I don't really know if I'm going to be able to continue getting these. I'm hopeful, I really am. I am hopeful to continue to get them, but I don't know if that's in the cards right now. So I'm going to open this box because it is huge, and I don't know if you can still buy this specific box online. I don't think it's sold out yet, so you probably could. I've had it for 2 or 3 days, but I've been kind of busy. I've been out at the build site and from like 10 a.m. to when they leave at like 5 and helping out. So my week has been a little crazy with that. So I've kind of been neglecting to open this. It's been like sitting on my chair for like 2.5 days, and I'm just like, I should probably do this today because I know I'm going to be busy all weekend. So I'm going to start opening it up. It's a huge box. The box contents are actually on Funko's website. I accidentally looked, but I can't really remember what they were, and I really didn't want to look because I was like, I don't want to know. It's a surprise. It's supposed to be a surprise. But they posted it online, and I was like, okay, never mind. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. I do, however, wish they would have just continued all the stickers on this one, especially since this is like the last subscriber-only one, where they had all the stickers from last year too. That I think would have been really cool. Or like the patches, like they had the stickers. I would have loved that so much. So much. Gotta get the trusty scissors out. And hope I don't cut myself. Ah, I didn't. That's exciting. Okay. So, per usual, on top is the pin and the patch. And I'm actually just going to show you. I just hit my chair. I'm going to show you it in the box. I'm going to lean this way. And it is, the patch is Peter Pan, and the, oops, wrong way. And the pin is Robin Hood from Disney's Robin Hood, which is one of my favorite movies. It's one of my favorite movies from my childhood. There's Peter Pan. Actually, it's not showing up too bad today. I'm kind of proud of this. I'm proud of you, camera. I'm proud of you. But I love the patches. I do for Marvel, too. I think they're great. But, you know, I mean, if this is the last box, then... And then the pin is Robin Hood, and like I said, Robin Hood was one of my favorite movies when I was a kid. And I'm going to get this out real quick. And it's just a little Robin Hood, which you're not going to be able to see. Oh, that's kind of good. One day, I'm going to get a camera that does not have a 5-minute recording interval, and so, you know, that's going to be really nice. Because then I can do this thing called actually film for 15 to 20 minutes without having to stop, interrupt my train of thought, and restart my film. Not film. Memory card. Interval. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Like I said, it's like 8 a.m. I've been up for like 3.5 hours. Actually, no, I've been up since like 6. But I have not slept well this week, and I have no idea why, and I'm so unhappy about it. And I've been dealing with boys all day. And wait, with shoulder. I got like super duper sunburned, which you're not going to be able to see. But I got like super duper sunburned everywhere. Like, I'm not used to the sun yet. I mean, it's not out right now. It was out a little bit ago, but it's supposed to get... Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the first thing in the box is huge, and that is the Disney's Rescuers on Orville. Is he a seagull? He's a seagull. This is really cute. I would take it out of the box, but I don't think I want to. Actually, I am going to. Who am I kidding? I'm going to take it out of the box, because I always do. I love the Rescuers. It's such a good movie. I don't think I've actually seen Rescuers Down Under, which is shocking, because I think I've seen most Disney movies. But then there's like Disney sequels that aren't as good as the first one, and then you get kind of sad about it, because it's like, oh man, it's not the same. Like, this is huge. It's actually huge. It's huge. Oh, we gotta attach one of his wings. And you see a little can that says sardines on it. And this is actually really cute with Bianca and Bernard. I had to actually look at the box and figure out what his name was. And then you attach the wing. And you had to do this with Star-Lord's Milano from the Guardians of the Galaxy 2 box, which I think I actually broke one of the wings by accident, if we're being honest. But there's Orville. And it's so cute. It's huge. It's very large. I will definitely say that. It's very cute though, and I'm very excited. So there's the first thing. Wow, there's like not a lot in this box. Like, to be completely honest, there's really not. Like, it's a huge box. Like a huge box. And like, I just hope it's like they're not phoning it in, because that would make me really sad. What is this? Is this a luggage tag? Is this a luggage tag? Oh my gosh, it is. It's a little Stitch luggage tag. Like, that's so cute. Man, that's adorable. A little Stitch luggage tag, and it has your address and your phone number and all this in the back, and it's Stitch. I actually have a Stitch pop figure. I have two. I have the Stitch pop figure that kind of actually looks like this one, and the Dorbs figure, which is also really, really cute. And I think this video is actually going to be really short, which kind of makes me sad, because I put a full face of makeup on for virtually nothing. But I'm actually really excited about this. It's super cute. I can't wait to put it on actual luggage, which I'm really excited about. Is that like the theme? Is the theme traveling? Well, it's adventure, so it would be kind of like traveling. Okay, and here's the sticker. I actually don't know where all my stickers are right now. They're somewhere. Oh. And then this is the last thing. See? Empty box. Like, this is really cool. I will say that. It's very cool, but it's kind of like they phoned it in a little bit for this box. Like, that's my feeling, and I don't like it. I don't like that they phoned it in. And I can tell by this that it is Incredibles themed. Oops, wrong way. Now, the second one comes out this year. There was a new trailer released late last week, late this week, sorry. I still haven't seen the new trailer, to be honest. But we're going to see what this is. Ah! This is incredible. Like, that's actually really exciting. She was a what? Elastigirl? That's what the breeder called Ginger, our dog. Elastigirl. So whenever I think of her, I think of this. Or I think of Ginger. So, you know, I mean, that's the box. Like, it was, like, the content of the box was very interesting. I will say it's not the best box I've ever opened, if I'm honest. And normally I love all of Funko's products. But this box was kind of, how do I want to say it? This box was not disappointing, but I felt like they kind of phoned it in for this one. And I'm hoping they don't do that when it goes to retail, because I feel like people, when it comes to retail, expect a different quality and a different kind of quantity of items when they have like a mystery box, because you don't really get many mystery boxes when it comes to like physical retail, unless they're like the little blind boxes, which are fun. I will definitely say that. I have like 4 Lord of the Rings ones. Like there's 2 right there, and then there's Gandalf over there. That's Boromir and sorry, Boromir and Aragorn. And I got like these 2 from one of the other Marvel boxes. But I felt like I always feel with these ones, like the Disney ones, I always really like. But I feel like there's sometimes where they phone it in and hope for the best. And I may cut this part out just because I know that sounds like I'm being very like non-complimentary to the brand and the products. You know what? I love all the products. The products are great, but there's just kind of an expectation, I guess, because I started out with the Marvel boxes, and the Marvel boxes are always great, that, you know, I mean, this is a very, very large box. And it had 1, 2, 3, 4 items in it. if you count the sticker, if you don't count the patch and the pin. And I was a Pioneer member, and I don't know when I'm going to get my Pioneer member gift, because I know there was like supposed to be a gift that came out, and I don't know if that's going to be a thing still because of the changeover, all of this that Funko is going through with their subscription boxes. But I mean, if I get it, I'll let you guys know. But the Marvel box will probably be coming in the next week or two, I'm hoping. And that is Infinity War, which I'm still not ready for. I still have to find somebody to go with, because I don't want to go by myself. I don't know if I'll be able to like emotionally process it afterwards. I think I need somebody to go with me. But I think that is it for me this week. I feel like it wasn't a very happy video, which I apologize for. It's just kind of like, you know, it is what it is. And I gotta put this back together so I can put the box in my closet, because I don't leave these boxes out. And also I put his wing in, and I don't want to try to take that out, because I did that with Star-Lord and I broke something. So I don't really want to break another one of these, because these are, I should not be doing this while I'm talking. These are a really cool thing, especially when you get like the rides. And I feel like a lot of them, I feel like there's been like one ride a year with like Marvel, because in the first year they did Wolverine's motorcycle, and then the next year they did Guardians of the Galaxy 2, they did Star-Lord and the Milano. Sorry, my nose is itchy. So I'm wondering if they're going to do one this year, maybe for Infinity War, but I don't know which one they would do for Infinity War. But I'm really hopeful that that box just blows me out of the water and they don't phone that one in as well. I'm not going to look online for spoilers of that one, because I don't want to see it. I don't want to kind of get my hopes up and then not have the ability to be really excited about it. So I will see you guys next week with another video. You can follow me on social media. All those links are going to be below: my Instagram, my Twitter, and my blog. Last week's video will be down below. You can like, you can comment, you can subscribe for more videos from me and seeing my face and seeing me film at like 8 a.m. on a Saturday morning in a full face of makeup like a weirdo. It's pretty great. Pretty great. Like, one of my neighbors had like a rager party last night, and I was like, well, I was gonna film, but I guess not. But I will see you guys next week. I hope you have a great week. I do. I hope you guys have a great week. Have an amazing week. Bye!